it's Sutton, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you the Razor E-Punk electric microbike. This is a super cool electric bike. It is for kids ages 8 and up or 120 pounds. It has a steel frame, it has an adjustable seat, and it can go up to 9 miles an hour. They have folding metal foot pegs. If you don't want to use them, you can put it up. If you want to use them, you put them down. In the front, there's an air-filled tire, and in the back, there's an airless tire. It has a handbrake right here that really makes you stop. Okay, again, it goes 9 miles an hour, but you have to charge it over here. And then, once it's charged, you should be able to run it for 40 minutes. Mine seems to run longer than that. Since it's so small, it's easy to travel with. So I take mine on vacation every time. So guys, that was the Razor E-Punk. Please like this video and subscribe. I'm just kidding. Make sure you always wear a helmet.